After reading and contemplating on what you just read, you may be tempted to boycott technology altogether, but this is my little encouragement to you not to do so. Technology has its positives as well as negatives, so use it responsibly and do not be overtaken by the thoughts concerning these statistics. These companies have to do what they have to do to monitor and make changes to their products and services in order to retain their influence, and that's what they have to do. But as a consumer, you should become more aware of what's happening in the tech space so that you can make better choices as to what products you will buy and support. But yes, this information was very surprising to me as well, and I hope that you found it very informative. I will catch you on the next video.